Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can export the bookmarks from the DuckDuckGo web browser to save them on your device and to import them on other web browsers to use them there. So let us dive into this. So launch the DuckDuckGo web browser on your desktop computer or laptop and you will see the favorites or bookmarks bar here. So you can import these from other web browsers, but you can also export your DuckDuckGo web browser's bookmarks as well. So to do that, click into these three lines on the top right, hover mouse over bookmarks, but instead of clicking to import bookmarks, select export bookmarks. After that, locate or navigate to the location on your device where we would like to save the exported bookmarks as an HTML document. Click into save, and that is going to export these so that you may upload that bookmarks list, I don't know, for example, in Google Chrome, Brave browser, Opera, and so on and so forth, or Microsoft Edge to use them there. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we catch you later.